Hello, my people. Hello, my beautiful people. Hello. Hello, my beautiful people. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Oh, good evening, my people. Good evening, my lovely ones. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Oh, thank you, everybody. The way we want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The way we want to look me. Thank you very much. As soon as they look me, na so God go to the bless una. Oh, na so God go to the bless una for morning. Na so God go to the bless una for evening. So now this Festo Z music now we won't play now. Agbon mere o be na fe seri mete mi razo wese eso ido azeleg zegberagbe ifianya gbe dia ijewoje ifianya gbe dia iwe ni ropa ifianya gbe dia ri puyo to weri zo se ose mai ma we wari ewewo we be gbo se na wa ba o magbare we bo wa ba o magbado gwa lu mama gbon wa ba o magbado gwa le progressive dadore we bi wo yen be bi ru iri yen when omodo we yen be omodin yen na be gbele gbo iwaju no a does it mean we amanari le gbe ku ariseti iri we ni obe and we be ge o we no be we owo my mi we na mi we consequence ro we tell we wa fi gbe ni ne o man we wa fi gbe ni gi o wa won aberi erigun a must to be revenge o ga revenge ni agani ebo ya na do ata we ye ma o ma dan o omoja no o mekeke ebo no erio wana na be viewers na ni go ma na wana ge go mama we mi say what matter my no matter what okun we to manita we ge video me o okun no manita we I payin manare then me so we o comment mi dan o ya so ayin ba re ri eyin ba ni re o why ge anyi we ri o why ge a we ri o anybody na comment gwegun awe nu ya comment ma and when we comment ni no ya comment mi dan better u role egbera we I comment baba ni re no do asi ebo do asi oku ebo do asi oku ayelala do asi oku ekonorue do asi God wagi ma change wala o wagi ma change okay when we ya mu ebo ni gbin aya na opa bu hun ya ni na riwu bo ege ni wewo again no hia me mama again ropa wo my sister or my brother we dey buy money and what we ya re hia o ya re we don't want only je we gi pa no wa mo bo emi me o from my own point of view me soro iyan boda fun iyan wa oyan bo kan yan wa agun ni bi so wa ro e wo de gbe lórí ekoko ni owa ewe ri lórí ekoko ni ba o ko ni ale ri ebe ba eni owi an be ya fe ura mi ne no di keke yo wo me be di keke ba ni oje ni bun ya la nene na a o gun ye mo 1000 euro ni oje ma ni bun ya la o ya re na a o gun ye ami ekene mu ya jo ami mi no ma wo obo wa mu ni wa da so ma be mi ro pe ka be ta video me bo so wa na fin o iwon na ni a o no wa we ti yan ba wa so ya agwali go kekan when I don't tear born anybody the live video or don't tear born ne family or don't tear born a family now or don't tear born egbewe we ya mugboto na egbewe we ya you know social media because anything na really atta be media na a forever and ever no we are delete ekwa e man wa save even ya we yo we agun hiani a mistake you we yan save ene so o see na even na ya gun e social media na and one no we wa be na we why ya keep video ma ya wa miere ya I wa la video na wa gun mi no ma jere be ne live for manager o history of manager o we wa picture we wa ri pa e mana dem ri ageni wo o weri e we bona we me we to weri e we bona do zi u mama gbo o weri e we bona do zi a future we be life why be say knife na just carry something the thing no go end e no go end again I know say na money now na to use and dey fight for YouTube or live video. Una go talk and small, una go rest. If una no see topic, una go sit down. There are many things where dey wey person go take make live video. History dey wey person dey take dey make live video. Not be say you go dey use your own human being dey make live video to stay now to bring am down. E no good like that, my sister and my brother. E no good. Ma. Agoma ina e osiene na ya. You go dey look person, you go dey say, oh, you to say na my husband like this now. If na my husband be this now, you to say na my wife like na him just be this one now. You know as it reach like that, before he make am, you know the road where he pass. Where gonna lie, okay, don't make a here. We are not yare. Dame festo zed, why dame ome, what dame wani? You can't wait video, man, not but anyway. Why in your pan of work, but if you see anything way too strong, go find better music, make you put. That music now go console your mind. Say, this thing for the apple, I beg I know can't answer anything. You understand? Listen. No, now they listen to me. No, now listen to Festo Z. You go tell you now everything. The topic we are the talk, so that Festo Z don't. Mona here. Mona they listen to rap. Mona they look me. Mona they look Festo Z. Mona they listen to rap. Mona they listen to that music. Because all my topic now na music. Now go come they put. Now true music. How come they analyze the music? How come they talk am? It interpret so that we make music now is very important. Here I tell you, go have a musician a bet or ye no man. Or your man way man or mama na way. The person will not like you. He must prove it to you. There is a sign where you go prove, say, I don't like you. Through that sign, now you go tell no, say, or my way, you go withdraw yourself back. Not be say you go the follow on like zombies will be later, you come to regret. In my where your J. There is a sign, next sign you must to Ladian where or mana Emma. You know what you just follow person, follow. Everything just good. No, you must see the bad, you must see the sign. Listen to Festo Z, more than not listen to me. Igo se me we mi, then I face a wesel, agmonereo, Why Festo Z, why you subscribe to your YouTube channel? Why you subscribe to your YouTube channel? Oh yeah. Yes, Mama no we mi esi o mi wagi mak po we. Wamudia omo na wetu na wa magbe na one put. Oya come help me to put wa magbe. Help me to put on Wamagbe. So may we continue before my lady put on Wamagbe. Story. There is one woman. A woman na Orianka mame. Owe mama o. Owe do as you reach mama. In a way o. Owe Yen te mo pa mame yen ma we live video we live video na live video nu ya ti e bono ma ya wo ma no na we ka mi me bode am e bo you go tire o ma mi mi ta e ti do ya popo we o e ti do ya ta we gie o be ti wa ya ta ma we ri o ma ya wo atemi na o we se Iwa kakabo wa love ye me ije me yaku ije me yagwo ma ku because ije me no marry no ije me no magi amegbe me ije no magi zozo la megbe ije me yaku ije me no marry ije me no magi amegbo zorue ije me yaku bosen wana zin gbe he eguwa ego ma ga se bo se ti dayia ego ma ga se ebo setting that you wa magbe no ya sin won wa wo ma mi no wa ego ma ga se ebo setting that you wa ge rule fe wa ge ga go ma rule wa ge ga go ma pope gbuwa wa ge ga go ma nya ge gbuwa wa ge ga go ma we he o salobo adagmoni rena. Why are you regretting over your life? Emi no salobo unu emi yesu nu we to bu we wa yo bu we wa sunu Eva ya ni wa make up ni wa ye gbe social media e gbe oko e. Ya tota my sister. Ya tota we be TV we eti ladin. O ma mi wa show abi we. Show wo wa we ya. You are on social media and swear. You are on social media and swear. So you want I can do akpe no one and one make na ya ajem ye sore because you even so me am egbe ne. O you move your body my na ite mo your ban. So ni do si one wa e ko adanyo ji awo na gbo ma. O wa ma gbo ya si won very yo. What's an one go vi why? What's an one regret life one u dem ave. Nu dem no wa me social media why nu don't regret life wa. Nu dem no wa me social media why ya le la owo wa gbina. Nu dem no wa me social media why ya le lo wo kun wa gbina. Nu dem no wa me social media why ya we life wa phone. Nu dem no wa me social media why wu pokpo why wa si eju wa gbe. Nu dem no wa me social media why wu wa me no si na gbon na ma we. E ma ya ne wa mu dia ye camera no wa gun a e agun wa ma. E gbu wa ma wo me. Or work ye ne so ina regret ye life yan. Or work ye ne so ina we pokpagmo o wi o ina wasi e yo to. Why fien o? Why ye fien o? Why ye think away travel is a part of education? Even in Nigeria atono na awe wage darkness ni majeni erere ni on si e. Eme so base of face manire we boma. So vata na ma regret yina. Ema ya ni mudia be social media nu da ya wa mudia ya mo wie phone yo to aya pokpo ma aya bulo ma wetin come dey make you dey regret your life because say you no sabi make up because say you no sabi you no fit buy hair because say you know if you no fit buy hair do low cut as I do and so go buy €2.99 this thing colored put am for your hair you don't become a mayoyo be that. Where the problem dey because say you no fit buy with one. Gather 20 euro for the money where they give you. Gather around for 1 year. You don't buy one with one. Two self. You don't buy two. You don't buy two with one. Go to Amazon. If you go Amazon, you will go Bisted. You will go order for there. If you not go there, you will go this thing eBay. Go order for there. If you not go there, you go this thing so with AliExpress. Iboku for AliExpress. Where the problem dey now? Where go be like say you can't regret for your life. You can't say, hey, oh kokoko, what's your bunny ray? Why you fien oh? I use my hand to remove it. Come and put it for me again, bite. What's your bunny ray now? Then one akoke 20 euro, you akoke 20 euro every month. Every month in yari go money. Goma 20 euro afile yo to se bedi afile you pangolo 20 euro. Do my tizo susu. Do my tizo susu. Where you go we magba susu. Eme soro na. Iya iwa wene. Iya what do you want magbe on? It's not first to zedo. Then why when you do 20 euro, you can save 10 euro every month. 10 euro a year is 120. You want 10 euro I want 120. You be still up Amazon or the eBay or the AliExpress. U be still do me visa kadu gwalwana visa kadu rigo no ya go be still. So now because of my work and all those things, I for don't put them for there. They follow now they be still. Then I will still they do this thing. I will soon order for this thing. I mean I can't fix the human email na they see. I did. Do we well? Who we setting well or con wow now? Who we ya going over there? E mani kioni ya be on madani na be more so easy for you people. Na more na rien. Be on madan. You understand? The man na ta we ya kun go emi na ma ya kun go. Emi na gwa yari eba but when mo na ni no ya kun igo ni u be gboro we ye gbe omo no gu we temi o kin omo no ma be gu we te be o kin take the problem je wona waga iwo ma mi ne omo ga iwa ene ado ata we bogu ewo no na eta gbere wa but yen mi we yen no kasun eni waga wuyen ewo re gbe u ga yan ma yen wa ran yan we o me so we sad yen ladin wa On make sure we again ladiawa. If some people now, I will they look the video, they go, if they don't do person something, if you won't do them back, you wait they do person. You know say na stealing by trick. Now you they manage yourself. Then no money guy you when you would be out the war. When no when nani when no woman na no carbon reason where the consequence in him na can take him ni can woman na ugbe ni can figure man na do ugbe ni dem no revenge no can cook beni re we kare gbo legane you go turn around like this. Look, this thing we I want do so the consequence for wetin I want do so the consequence e no lele kian bar for una the bar for una small just the bar for now me I find this on magbe music po me we take while away the time I just do this short video so that me I for go cook the stew where I want cook so assorted stew now I want cook so assorted stew. If I don't still cook, I will still put on for there for Namona look assorted stew. That stew, you feel use a way to take pack. You feel use okra take pack. If na a buy, put on back. If na pure, use a mama in head. You will no say yes. Use fuku, use llama, use cow leg, use shaking. Take mama in head. Use cow tail. Or llama, put time if you not get cow tail, not me say you must use cow tail. All this thing where they talk. So if you do a small €20, you don't take a mamara or zek, or ye zekutu. Or ye zekutu the cow leg, the shaking, the fuku, the llama, where wa ye walk or ye zeputu. So the problem is you wanna. La wa gomeri wo magbe yo na ya step down na ewe. Maybe na bully, you know what bully. When you walk be boy, a bully. La why subscribe to your YouTube channel and why ya emi agmobo. Na ya even na ya wo why o ma ta we you want even on ata o yari ahun wa wori wa le wa agmo na wa wo fi weri ebo ga ye bo modo how long o fairly we where are you both move your mind? You can't be both move you where it's vice versa, my people. Are you both move your man? You can't be both move you where? You know na or what you can your vein. Every queen on westself. Okmanuya madavio give away. It be what day. Okmanuya madavio give away. Be what yana sunu. Oye no sadena duza okmanu yama dabi oge vawe egbe wo yana sunu egbe wo yana sunu uga ogu da me egbe wo yana sunu wega o emi ame da me egbe wo yana sunu Uwa mi amedame egbe wohia na sunu uwa ohuwe mi amedame egbe wohia na sunu emi kemi nu weriri a o da me egbe wohia na sunu me I play this okwamagbe music me we take step down ayo we ogie no ma ayo we wala go wage ibuli wie ma waga bulu nwe because edena hwe o you we wo mi here ya dekun egbere ken wa my expert oh yes wa rian ka yen do mo ko le gbiyan o yen do love gbiyan o ga ri e la dion we ha na so person na dey cost mama that time oh so person na dey cost mama that time you forget what be this woman you don't know her. You don't know this woman, so woman like this. Not be the cause your mother time. What was in la dian? Wanyari uwe. Udo ye talo we blah 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 blah. Udo ya blockade na nare. Wagima leru wagima si koko na amweru unjia na un. No kwe talo na yasi yo. No kwe blah 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 na yasi yo. Na ye midian we mi agbon. Na ye midian ya agie. na ye media ya si mokoko ya we mi agbon ma le ba YouTube ayeri go ne amana riti e bone gbegi wo agi mi go be YouTube na so igo aya mi e be YouTube na igo boni ati ene gbin ya mi go be YouTube wa wana si koko ba wana ate filmi na igo la dia be YouTube ado bulegbe ti e bone se carry go carry over carry gan carry down why carry Jesus along ebebo why wa carry wa go gbe wa promote yan wana be time and wa hia kala ne social media why ka ye Christianity ya la o oga ipe bo wa ya mu eyo to keke you people are not ashamed of yourself ekwemu wa why ka ye church sun ene okeke ga ire ebo wa ya mo yo to egbe we me iga yen wa dan me o wa ma gbe wa dan me o me ayo wi omo no u no ma why was a webone okwa gwaligo be bully okwa gwalona be bully egigi de go there for crying out loud then avian is okpe boka yo we crying out loud I tire for now that's why I wanna listen to Wamagbe and also be play any other music na my Benin music now wo they play so that make they take the reinforce you feel pass Morocco come pass Libya come even though you pass a direct concert flight now you pass come but the day when you come you know the kind panic where you dey makeup as well they use and they see money for YouTube makeup to cook to add drama that they use and they see no una gather una self where you dey I want come meet you make we add drama together all this comedy mona call me they do comedy and they do acting mona call me I go come follow una too I be the person wey knows I be read and write not do acting and comedy that they do kakabonya wow iya wow mona call mama do as you reach mama TV mona call me that's why I give myself do as you reach mama TV because mani bu gbere gbin agbe wa give ni mama an fun me ko okay mana ngi mi ya ye gbe na ni ye gbe gegege ido bu lorun won pa ide crazy o ide come madina o ide come bully o amana ge bu lo ni agi mi go de na ko we ga lu go ni no second ke ya settle down we nuri orien ni on ri YouTube ni bo wa maka all the motor gbe o keke wa jame o ye jeson awe ohu you don't go with that wa feko mona de low abeg mona de low na side mona low na music mona low na talkie mona low mona oh Jesus and if una dey come this YouTube of see or social media of it una go use Christianity take up then if una don spend 1 month 2 months YouTube na hin go na here the next thing ariyan epo the next thing ayelala the next thing asopeka the next thing onona wala abeg people my people wala abeg abi I me win na see na ya wa ya win na eme diet o iwa be sie zo lele ya kan na gumegi ma wa ya win ni hotel wa win hotel gbava usi o ma time usi we anene gbava usi usi wa dueki wese wa anything wese anything really awu wese anything really awu wese no do asioko no ma enegbe awa for now I went ado yasi okwe udimo ose wagele oe du dimo ose udin mo se eso iwe yi no de social media ipe eso iwa be do call you we my wife don run obo kan we akan le wo se ogwa lo tegbe we if no see no kan we na le yin ware ogwa lo tegbe we no see na wa we na pa yin ware enu de social media ma no carry ane owa mi ya bobo wa ya jump out social media ho Omaka we me we or see another left for yeah mene do as you reach mama TV multi yes omaka we me we or see another left for social media ya left for why ya ati e body here ni we social media they are just doing their own E me no ta manager we ra egbera no robe no gweri eje yo. Ya do da fon weji, ya do wo han weji. Ya leva evun wa, le stew yo wa. Wari yo we do ni wa ya ki e tama we mi owu han wo na te de cookan. Go cook for us, your husband will like you. They cook. They cook like am. If you know, even though you don't like you, they like am. If you not do, if you come out, you go no say na you na take come out. You go no say na because of your head na take come out. That one no go concern you again. No con take your hand. So my people, so I want end the live. I want end the video. Mona go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Na be do as you reach Mama TV. Go and subscribe, please. Don't be selfish. Not the selfish for markets. You dey Europe. Not the selfish for markets. Go press that notification. Not be so they take call and be. I saw they take call and be. But they call and be button. Go press that button. Anyone so far mona press am. Anybody when you understand this Oyibo way and know where this Oyibo they go, Oja make una go press and una go subscribe. Anyone wanna want to do something for inside all these things where they talk things, this music where they play, mona go collect one for inside, mona to do something. Mona know they because of live video say obo kame pa o nu do no na obo kame na pa run do mana iya bo gba obo kawe maka love we ada fo me pa o eti on do mana like we ya sun we wiyan ni an like we ya sun we wiyan emi on pa ni wa mi we o mana ri ogo na iya wa we ri ogo ne ni kai na wiyan gwa logo wa be wo ofo because akwe we have a ijodo akwe you will still this so e magbon na o pa me no kwa no eze no gbe e magbon na o pa me no kwa no eze no gbe. So may we find Wamagbe music, or may we find Festo de OZ music, may we still away. May we still share ourselves, my people. Mama boy. All those people will say, "Why continue? Regardez, gie, wa." Oga is set in a lesser way. Dame o Wamagbe, dame o me. Wamagbe pe no iswe. Waya dame you wanna. Bege ya. Iwe mi say I like rikiri. Iwe mi say o be favor we. Wa dame o Wamagbe me wa dame o e. Listen to Wamagbe we. More than listen to Wamagbe. Listen to Wamagbe go tell una. Listen to Wamagbe. Wamagbe go tell una everything wey dey happen. Oh, ya mona listen to Wamagbe. Sales. Why we no sense in social media? You no go do ati ebone. You we no go ma. Do we gele ne gbuwe. You we no go ma. You we no Miami rock. But innocent woman in the grave. Why ati ebone? How dare you? But you can get nonsense no go alo. Anu doni ya ati ebone. You we no go ma. You we no kmonu ya yin egbe. Ado ya ati ebone. Bokun go janu wagwa lona I bokun go jago son bokun go jago son no bokun go jago son no wagwa lo no mu o mosulele for 9 months we be even no balo moje ene. Why can't you adjust yourself for nonsense? Why can't you adjust yourself? No ma o dame yo wa dame yo Wamagbe o ma be ne gi meje o when I make na ri ye ne odi ewu yin me no salo boy do mo Wamagbe ye kete ni awo keke ni jin be arekete ni di se mekete ni eje Bosununa, walkwe bludigona, ijue no reimi no rioge, aya mwekbagbe, aya tie bone, aya zaza igawa, the imi no je, why? Why? Walkwe go, or ijue no yeragmo. Asi awe mujue azanzan igan zanzan, awolo iboni sain, atwa merenjo, akwo yewe la live video, yewe au ge ati eboni jue. Are you not ashamed of yourself? No. No, see, Bonnie, who tell what you're Bonnie, you will not anything you were a blow both you are disgracing yourself. It's a bit no F4 what a good you are when you're in your live video now, you're going to beg your mother. If you are making malice with your mother or you they make enemy with your mother, go reconcile with your mother quick. Usakame. Go and reconcile with your mother, my friend. You dey young, your man will kill you. Now as you can't be so nice, one can use wind shaking you. Go reconcile. If you look this video, you not reconcile with your mama. It's not good for you. Go reconcile. Go beg your mama. If you get anything where you do, go beg her. Go beg your mama quick. Go beg her. If you get anything where you do, go beg your mama. Nothing like mother. The prayer of mother will they lead you. It will they lead you. Anything where people won't do you. Only that prayer, your mind go that prayer again. Say, now this prayer, mama tell me, say, you must prosper. Nobody can kill you, my daughter. Nobody can kill you, my son. No weapon can rise up against you. No evil, no demon, no satanic spirit, no evil spirit, no negative spirit that can rise up against you will prosper, my daughter or my son. Do you know the blessing that Jesus Christ of Nazareth gave to every mother to bless their children? Why do you want your mother to lay curse on you? Why? Why do you want your mother or rather your father to lay curse on you? Because of money? Or because of man? Or because of woman? Man can leave you tomorrow, but your mother cannot leave you. Woman can leave you tomorrow, but your lovely mother cannot leave you. It will console you to the last. It will console you no matter what. Don't insult your mother. Just avoid, say, avoiding call. Say if they call you. For sometimes, if your mind don't go down, you will begin to pick and call again. Let your mother bless you because there is, it get blessing. It get blessing where God they give to mother and father today they bless their children. May they say they bless their children. Why you want made that prayer turn to curse? Why you want made that prayer turn to center against you where go they pursue you they go? Why? You know, say blessings of mother, blessings of father. You know where they take person they go. You know where they take person they go. If mama bless you, who sing this song that time? Say, Papa bless me, Papa, Papa bless me, Papa bless me, Papa bless me, bless me, Papa, Papa bless me. Papa bless me. Mama bless me. I remember what my father used to tell me. I remember what my mother used to tell me. And some days, sometimes, I have to be a man. Some days, sometimes, you have to be on your own. Asiwani, wamiamia. Inwedo ya wamufua. Ebora swori ya wa imufua. Iwie dora swori ya wa ya wemi. Wa ya wemi. E buli waki no wa buli kia. Bame mi go. E dena kwe ya iga uvo. Onta mini det wa miamia waki ya lele ya. E bona ni ana ya ati wa ezo lele ya. Yana wa emi ni ya ewie. Ew. Omona mu owo. Oma eve no dere. When on sa ma no sa bo unu where I rio sa lo bo la social media na ebo where ya ende odame bo diri ran odame O ma bara ninye. Wa giagbo so enodin. Vosie. Ew. Even if you're mocking ya rien. E money e mo ga because e money maladie avec social media lele. E rien vision a boulou. E boke bon wati ene money waniti e boni wie mani we live video. I o ma no wa mi ni wa mo bogbe o de bebo wa mugbe but wa kimi ajo emma wa ga idamo ke ma ni tie bo ni mani we live video no tie bo ni wian wa muko egbe wa mi ma si won because they are innocent. E money maka mijian we no wa pagbe we mom ya tie bo no ya go cause this person. Mom, ya go cause this person. I see him for live video today. The children, they are innocent. So every set be sinyagbe because iya my mini my a bonny we set is be can yegbe. So I can't do this video, just short video, my sister. Bye to everybody. Bye to everybody. Bye to all my sisters and my brother, my friends. On YouTube, on Facebook, all of you people should throw away bully, and face God. Nothing like God. Nothing like God. I pray for all of you to change. I pray for all of you to love yourself. Have Jesus. Nothing like Jesus. If you get Jesus, what he won't shake you. Who won't shake you? De nou na ni nyoma ou jo we ko rien ou ten moment ou mu nyoma re live video o mana do bo we be self emi opopapa we ya zere wu we ano be ya voice o mani we yes ogele we nu pe ogele mu egu e agioma won vie ayowo mo yawe u ya zoe o we even yata mari o yawe o makeke ni we video even a woman tie me we ige o otinye we no dinye yen akunye fo be tenants we ni edo pay go wa we go ne tenants ni ate pay ni pay yes of course on base yan bo wa you won on base cannot build house for you. It's impossible, my sister. Why go to Leadia? Mama so woman are in Nigeria. Why do you come to Europe? A purpose of come to Europe is defeat. What do? Binana me won base or basis room you where you be yale lebe kwa kwegbe. Iyan wo we already according to you iyan room apalo. Then onu da we ko no re one room for we do pa oteme kian live man den uri ho ni ne. Hello. Who mo to we ya ko abon anu we be no easy here. According to you, what one ige para no ge big la para ri yon ga save. So, obiora ga do ye ni uno go ne do ri ni why you go and build your house or save 50 euro for that 12 years in who egbe and choli gon. I beg my sister, I beg. Go pay her money o. Joke and part, go pay her. I know whoever measure your name. I know whoever measure your sister name. I know whoever measure your picking name. I know whoever measure which country they. Igayagi on boyagwe igayagi on emeso wa mo ebonya o ye we o wa tore bi gi o wa re salobo wa memi ni aya fidian wa memi ni ewie topic ni wa keke tana. I'm so very very sad. We awon mo ebore o ori ebebo gie o why repercussion wa ire. Why do you mue? Why do you fun? I beg, choose my people, boy. I beg. Choose. Bye, my people. Bye, my people. Get the music we have been one play now. May we enjoy ourselves, or may we over enjoy ourselves because all this bully of it, where they bully go, bulliga, bulligi, buloko. Bulogyo, bully. E no good. May we dey shine your shine. Una go dey forget all those one. May we dey shine your shine. May we dey talk sweet things. Mona call me. If una get me on the heart, Mona call. Do as you reach Mama TV. Mona call me. If na comedy, oh, what ye major? What ye major? Eh? Ma yari evae. Ben yari evae. Ati e bonek ba yari evae. Eh? Me kena talak panari ovia oh. Oh hamume. Ah? What ye do as you reach Mama TV? What ye me? Agwa do dingwangwa eh.
One, two, three, go.
Choose my lady, choose everybody, choose my people. Bye, bye, my people. Enjoy this video and remain blessed and change. I change, you change. You people should change from this talking. Summons, from summons to summons. Go and give your juju paper. Go and give this, that money. I beg. Make una try. Mona they send the money for me. That money go una they take go the summons. Mona they send that for me. I know say I dey Europe. I need that money. No do. Now maybe that money go reach 20 euro. I beg Mona they bring her come for me. I beg. Through my YouTube. Mona write me. Say where you dey oh. I will give una my account number. So that Mona send and call for me. Many digoni walao. Wa send digoni give me walao. Many day walao. Wa send de give me. Wa send de give me. Gon waya ya tiezoni. Wa send de give me. Many day. Me wani day. Wo fane jo mubana. We walk many day. Do as you reach Mama. Me need them. I beg. Do as you reach Mama TV, need that money. No do it. Boy, maybe go in your say like 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira no wayati ezo. What ye me wala go wagumeria can't no bamen one wape ejo wala o. So that it may make na go wa mojerun. Me mojerun we no mani wu. I mojerun we no mani amma no mani fi we no do yimi awo. Wala o wa send me. Was send him a message so that he make na do we can't no ban la dia no one wa pay yo me e go no wa ya tie zoba we boni wala o that we bokon wa sef wa wari wa jigo e pa imajigo na gi wa o e ju wa ji wari e gi ju wa bo wa no yari e ba e so ro ni o magiri go gyotin o de wo wa wari e gi tun wa keri o ti wa no wa giri go gyo ni o ma masa we bo oh, wari give me wala wari gume. Mori me ido yimi wa. Ido thank you wa. Thank you, my lady. Thank you, my sister. I see the 20 euro where you bring come for me. I see the 10 euro where you bring come for me. I see the 5 euro where you bring come for me. Do as you reach Mama TV, say thank you. He's saying toile for you. He's saying toile, into aga. Into ale. He give you love. He give you sign of love. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, my people. Bye. I love you guys. I love you with my button of heart. Subscribe. Stop bullying. Stop to humiliate your people. Love yourself. I beg, my people. Mona no dey carry body go ojuju place again. I use God beg you now. I use Almighty God to beg you now. I use King of King to beg you now. I use the name that above any other name, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, to beg you now. Anything where anybody do you, throw away for moon, throw away for dustbin. You know me say you not tabi talkie. Oma mini wugwa agun oma na zeme nwani oma oma awenu leni lene nu wa do ya si le gbe yawo ebo lene egun okon yi oma gun okon na we viewers wewe yi wo so oma na zeme nwani abi uko ewe abi uko iwe ima oni zeme nwani o ege ya ta lo igbera ni ne wala o wa ke ga zeme nwani ya. Okay, bye. Video na can long igbe na choose. Bye, my people. Subscribe to my YouTube, like my page, share my video, share me out, my lovely ones. I love you people. I will continue to love you people. look my video, look it to the end. You will see the one where you won't collect for inside, the one where you no want collect, still drop am for any other people, leave am for there, will not go put am for dustbin o, leave am for there so that may and other people still come collect. The one where they not still like, they will still keep am for there too, and other people will still come. Maybe the one where you not like, another person will like am. The one where you like, maybe another person will like am. That's why I say make you look am, then you will keep am for the video. Share me out, my people, share me out. I love you guys. I love you. Bye, bye, bye.